In today's video, I'm gonna show you my morning routine. Of course, I don't do the same thing every single day, but today I'm gonna show you what I'm about to do today. Does that make sense? So the first thing I do after I go to the bathroom and anything is to have breakfast. It's very important for me. I'm starving every morning. So we're gonna make breakfast together. So for today I'm thinking, I think I will have scrambled eggs and toasted bread. So guys, breakfast is served. Nothing too interesting, just scrambled eggs. I had 2 whole eggs and 1 white egg, and also 2 slices of bread with some butter on them. So this is going to be my breakfast for today. Also, please excuse the mess here. I can see it's really annoying. I'm gonna clean it later. Let's have a taste test together. It's really good. So once I'm done with my breakfast, I like to take my 2 vitamins. To be honest, I want to add a few more. I want to start taking a few more vitamins on a daily basis because they're really good. I'm currently taking this one. It's a multivitamin Energy Plus, Extra Energy Plus Vitality. This one, and also I take magnesium with vitamin B6. And one more thing I like to do is to add this liquid chlorophyll to my water, 1 or 2 tablespoons. So I usually do this before I go to bed, but just because I'm filming today and I wanted to share it with you, I'm gonna do it now. So this is a concept planner. I've talked about this before to one of my videos, if you watch my videos. So I like to write down all the things that I'm about to do the following day, or even a few goals, some ideas. So I didn't used to do this, but I really like to keep myself very busy and very organized. Every time I write down mini goals that I want to reach, things that I'm about to do the following day, I find it very motivating and very helpful. It looks like this on the inside. This is a plan for a new week. So it says here goals. Also it says here ideas. So you can write down, for example, I write down YouTube ideas or anything I want to create. So that's what I'm about to do now. So guys, I just got dressed. I'm about to do a pilates session. I usually go to the gym, but today it's Saturday and usually at the weekend I don't work out at all. Some weekends like today when I feel like I want to move my body, I want to do something at home. So very quick, I want to talk about the fitness app that I'm using. It's one of the best fitness app I've ever used in my life. And trust me, I've tried many. So I'm using the Beyond. It's by Megan Grab. It's one of the most organized and motivating apps. You can find home guides, gym guides, whatever you prefer, and also they upload new guides every few months so you don't get bored. Also, these guides are for everyone, like if you're a beginner or if you're more advanced. You can also find videos with stretch sessions. Amazing. And also they added Pilates, which I'm about to do now. And also on this app you can find 100 of healthy recipes, delicious recipes, breakfast, lunch, snacks. They have dinner, they have desserts, and they add new all the time. You can find podcasts, motivating podcasts about self-confidence, motivation. I highly recommend this fitness app. It's the best. So now I'm about to do the Pilates session of week 2. Hey guys, today I have a full body apple flying workout for you. So let's start. Never underestimate Pilates, ever. So now I'm about to do a 6-minute ab workout. guys, that was it. That was my morning for today. Some days I am more productive and I have more things to do, and some other days I have less things to do. I wanted to do my makeup so I can close this video looking a little bit more presentable, but then I thought, why don't you just keep it real? Because in different circumstances, if I wasn't filming, I wouldn't do my makeup in the morning, unless if I wanted to go out somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you come this far, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you like it. Bye guys.